The first plan that we're going to talk about is a term life policy. This is the most economical plan out of all the different options that you will have. For example, the $1,680,000 of coverage is $240 a month for you, okay? The term policies will have multiple options. You can have 10, 20, 30-year term, and some companies actually even have different variations. The important thing for you to know is that whatever plan that you select, that premium is going to be fixed for the duration of that time period, okay? So here you can see that is going to be $240, and you can see that premium stays exactly the same over the next 20 years. However, after the 20 years over, the premium will increase, and it is going to be based on age. The good part is our plan is guaranteed renewable. That means that at that point, if you decide you still want the life insurance policy, you will be able to continue the policy. It's just that you're going to pay quite a bit more. You can see it's going to go from $2,433 a year to $84,000 because now we're older, and unfortunately, mortality cost is going to be more at that time. All right. Many people actually get into the term policy, and it is a plan where they feel that in the future they may need less or don't need it at all. But definitely, if you want to have that long term, you want to take that into consideration. Our term life policy also includes a waiver of premium. What this means is, should you become disabled anytime, then we will pick up and make the payment for you until you are recovered. If for some reason you never recovered, at the age of 65, we will convert that into a permanent plan for you, and then you would be able to have that plan for the rest of your term. And on a permanent plan, usually that lasts until at least 125 years old. Okay. Another thing that I want to mention is that our plan is convertible, meaning that if you purchase this plan and then at this point, because it's economical for you, and then later you decided that you like some of the other plans, we actually will convert that over. And the beautiful part about our convertible plan is that if you do that within the first 7 years, whatever you have paid in the last 2 years, we definitely will be able to take that premium and credit into the new plan. So that way you would be able to start on a permanent plan with some equity in it already. Okay, so do you have any questions for me in regard to the term plan?
No, it sounds good. I'm looking for something more sustainable in terms of monthly premium. So I like the 20-year plan. It's just I want to have something longer.
Okay.
Than that, longer than 20 years.
Yes, of course. So if you like this plan, we also have a 30-year plan that you can look at, and that will give you a longer term as well. Okay. So a couple of things I do want to point out as we are making decision is, number one, our guarantee renewable. This is really important from the aspect that some other insurance carrier, they may say it's renewable. However, come that period of time, you may still have to go through some underwriting requirements first. With our plan, you will not have to do that. As long as you're okay with paying that premium, then you can continue the policy. On the other hand, if you are still in good health, we can go through underwriting. That way, we not only are able to renew your policy, but also possibly bring your premium down as well. The other part that I think make our policy competitive is the fact that our policy, like I said earlier, is convertible. You can move it into any other plans that you want, and it's at any time. It does not have to be a specific time where you have to stay under the term plan. Okay? And then finally, the fact of our plan having the premium guaranteed, we are saying it is guaranteed. Fix that premium for the next 20 years. So, or 30 years if we decide to go with the 30-year plan. So what it means is that you don't have to worry if that premium is going to vary or not. Some companies will actually say your plan is $2,861 for the next 5 years. However, there may be a variation depending on mortality costs. So you may have a range that you end up having to pay higher. Not with our plan. All of that is guaranteed for you, so you have that peace of mind.
Okay, sounds good.